Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk to you for a little bit about your first homework assignment. On the screen is the screen that I see as your instructor before I open up your individual assignments. And as you can tell, the assignment was due on Friday, and I have received 6 of those assignments. So there are 11 people in this class. There are 5 of you who have not yet turned in your assignments, and I strongly suggest that you do so. Not only will it prepare you for the quiz that we'll have after Chapter 12, it will also prepare you for the midterm exam. So it's very important to get your homework turned in. Now, if you have not turned it in yet, I will still give you full credit if you can get it to me before the due date for the Chapter 12 assignment. And the Chapter 12 assignment, if we go back to our Moodle page, is due on September 13th. So please get caught up. And I've talked to a couple of you individually, and if we've made different arrangements, that precedes this conversation. So if we've visited and I know what your situation is, that's fine. This isn't intended for you, but I need to send the message out to the entire class. Now, the next thing I would like to bring up is I'm going to ask you to please submit as a single file. Now, what I mean by that is I would like you to scan your file, your homework, as a single PDF file, not as individual JPEG files. It's a lot easier for me to grade if you do that, and it looks more organized and complete. So it's easier for me to grade if you do that. Now, you can use a scanner on campus or somewhere else, or on your phone. There is an app that you can download for free that is called Office Lens. And Office Lens, the icon looks like in the middle of my screen. You'll see there's a little L. And the download from the App Store is Office Lens. And Office Lens will allow you to download multiple pages as a PDF file. And you do that by, for example, when you load Office Lens, you take multiple pictures, but after you take the first picture, you'll see at the bottom there are 2 choices. There is a check mark and there is a camera. So if you have more pages to download, you click the camera icon, and then you take a picture of the next one just by putting your finger, just by doing it. And then when you're done, first of all, you'll see at the bottom, my Office Lens says that this is page 2 out of 2. When you're done, when you've downloaded all the pictures as a PDF, you hit the orange check mark, and you'll get a screen that asks you how you want that saved. Choose PDF. Then you can save it directly to your phone, and you can email it to me, or you can download it directly to Moodle from there. If you are not able to do that, if you're here in Powell, I can set up an account for you on our printer that's right outside of my office, and you can email them to yourself as a single file, and then you can download to me from a desktop computer. But I just really strongly, emphatically ask you to submit as a single file. Aside from that, it's been the long Labor Day weekend, and so we'll be back at it tomorrow. I am on campus. If you need me for any reason, please email or stop by my office, and we'll get you all squared away. Now, we've finished Chapter 11. There are 2 lectures recorded for the first section of Chapter 12, which is quite lengthy. And if you look at the Submit Homework, you'll notice that I have downloaded a few homework problems. They're involved, and Section 12.1 is really important that we learn right from the beginning, and we'll use it throughout our time together in dynamics. So please spend some time with that homework. And on Wednesday of this week, I will record Dynamics Lecture number 7 over Chapter 12.2. Then I have a handout that's right here, the Primer on Orbital Mechanics, Parts 1 and 2. And So we will not do section 12.3 in our textbook. We will instead do the work on orbital mechanics and angular momentum from the primer. So I hope you had a great weekend. It's the last night of the great weekend, so enjoy, and we'll see you in school Tuesday. Thanks.